Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for October 2015. Virgos, it's a beautiful, beautiful month. We have some lovely trines. We also have a full moon towards the end of the month. We have Mercury that is going direct, and then we have Venus, and she is very favorably aspected. So we begin the month with Sun in Libra, in Moon in Gemini, and this is highlighting your part of career. So a lot of focus on your reputation, your public image, your workspace, and a lot of accolades, promotion, credit, a lot of highlight, and a lot of attention as to what is it that you bring on the table. And there is though this is a time where you're really going to be in the spotlight, and you're going to be getting your due. However, if there is an important decision that you have to take this month, if some of you are looking at jumping jobs or looking at even an alternate career, try and take an advice of a professional. Can be someone whom you've known for a while, can be a mentor, can be somebody who's maybe a professional who just advises on career decisions or on opportunities. So do that before you sort of just get carried away with all the adulation at work, and you rush and you go and take these decisions. Now this it's a beautiful energy over here because everything is in harmony. This trine is really beautiful over here because trines, every time that they happen, they're considered very lucky and fortunate because they are in complete harmony with each other. They normally happen with between planets, two planets, or can be even more planets who have an affinity towards each other. So during this time, it's just that things are going to be very effortless as far as your work is concerned. You just sort of have its own drive, without you really pushing it much. Mercury turns direct on the 10th, and this is happening in your house of earned income. So a lot of focus again, where you're going to be looking, or you're going to be giving your financial situation a good thought, how it is more that you can earn money. Maybe some of you will think about picking up another job and adding or supplementing your income. Or for some of you, a lot of focus, or I would say a lot of highlight trend is there on some of you looking for another, or just switching your careers as well. And this is a time where you are going to be thinking whether is it going to be lucrative for you, how will it pan out for you. And it's a time wherein that you are going to be doing something about it. You're going to be taking a practical action towards it. So they're not just thoughts about it you're going to be having. However, try and keep one foot on the ground with Mercury going direct. It may be that you may not have all the facts that you need to be knowing around this time. So have a lot of conversations, have discussions, do a lot of research, speak with people, take advice of somebody who's a professional, and see whether how it is that you can really increase your income, because you are going to be a lot of focus is going to be there on you wanting to increase your money. And this is a time where you are going to be, because you're going to be making important decisions, it's a wise thing not to be rushing into it. And Jupiter is going to be trining Pluto, and this is happening in your own house of projection, and it's trining to Pluto in your house of creativity and pleasure. So Jupiter over here in your own house is just going to be having this sense of self-confidence, feeling good about yourself, a sense of achievement. Maybe some of you will feel that you are very close to your dream, your desire, your goals, or what it is that you wanted for yourself, and you're going to be feeling very happy about the way that things are going on right now in your life. And it can also be that you're presented with some really good new opportunities during this time, and you are just going to be sort of you're wanting to expand your life more. You want to see exactly as to what it is that life would entail. So you're not just happy doing the same repetitive stuff. You want to just go beyond, maybe change a portfolio, maybe add something more to what it is that you were doing earlier. So a lot of focus is going to be there on in wanting to grow, in wanting to expand and do things in a very broader, in a very macro way. There is also a time, however, because Pluto is also trining it, you have to be careful that you don't sort of have a sense of don't get too carried away with the entire energy, and don't sort of have a I wouldn't say a sense of unreality, but try and have your feet on the ground, Virgos. It's very important that you think of the consequences of, should you be making this move, what is it that it would entail. So think through that carefully. And also, because this has to do with your goals and desires, Pluto being over there, it can be that others' motivations may not be too clear during this time. So it can be that you could be being manipulated. So be a little careful over there, that even, if you want to go ahead and do something, ensure that you're getting really paid well, it's worth your while, your time, everything. So ensure that you've checked all the boxes over there. Towards the end of the month, we have Venus, and she's conjuncting Jupiter on the 25th, and this again is in your house of self, and it's really, really beautiful. And again, you're going to be feeling very driven to pursue your dreams, your goals, your desires, your wishes, how it is that you want the world to see you at large, how it is that you project yourself. For some of you, you could literally do like a complete wardrobe change, and you could just go in for a big superficial, cut your hair and do things like that. But for some of you, it speaks about having more faith in yourself. It speaks about internal patterns. It speaks about, it's a great opportunity for you to be having that faith in yourself and believing in yourself, Virgo. Sort of don't sell yourself too short this month. It's a time wherein that because there is a lot of focus on the self, it can be, you can also heal yourself. So if you have been really upset with yourself, it's a time to be forgiving yourself and to be moving ahead. And it's just a time wherein that you could feel quite inclined to experiment as well. If otherwise you're not really, you don't take risks at this time, you may just feel, oh, what the hell, let me just go ahead and do this. So think through the stuff. It all looks good and beautiful, but just think through all the stuff carefully before you jump, and make use of all the cosmic opportunities that get offered to you this month, Virgos. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Virgos. I'll see you again next month, and thank you so much for watching.